What if I told you that two retirees with the same savings could live completely different lives, one sipping wine on a balcony in Tuscany, the other clipping coupons at home, and both be totally content? Retirement doesn't come in one size. Some people dream of luxury cruises, while others prefer a simpler, slower pace. But the big question is, what's the real difference between budget and luxury retirement, and is one truly better than the other? Hey there! If you're planning your dream retirement, or just curious about what's possible, hit that like button, subscribe for weekly insights, and tap the bell so you never miss a video designed to help you make smarter choices with your money and lifestyle. Let's explore the surprising and sometimes shocking differences between budget and luxury retirement, and stick around, because I'll also share the number one thing retirees regret not doing sooner. Ready? Let's dive in. Defining the terms. What is budget versus luxury retirement? Let's start by making it clear. Budget retirement isn't about poverty, and luxury retirement doesn't always mean yachts and five-star hotels. It's all about how you prioritize spending, lifestyle, and experiences. A budget retirement is about living comfortably within your means, often downsizing, choosing lower-cost locations, and focusing on essentials. It's frugal, not cheap. You still travel, dine out, and enjoy life, just more selectively. On the flip side, luxury retirement often includes premium experiences, golf club memberships, fine dining, upscale travel, and a spacious home in a desirable location. It's about convenience, comfort, and customization. But here's the twist. Some people retire luxuriously on a budget by making smart geographic or lifestyle choices. More on that coming up. Cost of living. Location changes everything. You've probably heard the phrase, location, location, location. When it comes to retirement, it's more than a real estate mantra. It's your golden ticket. A retiree living in Thailand, Portugal, or Mexico can enjoy ocean views, fresh seafood, and full-time help, all on a modest pension or savings. That's luxury living, at a budget price. Compare that to someone retiring in New York City or London. Even a generous nest egg could disappear faster due to sky-high rent, taxes, and basic expenses. So, if you're budget-minded but still crave a bit of luxury, geo-arbitrage might be your best friend. Live in a lower-cost country and stretch your money further. It's not just about saving, it's about elevating your lifestyle without overspending. Quality of life, time, health, and peace of mind. Whether you're on a budget or living luxuriously, healthcare, safety, and social connection are key to happiness in retirement. Budget retirees often stress over unexpected medical bills or lack access to quality healthcare if they remain in high-cost countries. On the other hand, many luxury retirees plan ahead with private insurance, concierge doctors, or settle in countries with top-notch public healthcare systems. But here's a secret. Many budget-friendly countries actually offer excellent and affordable healthcare. Think Costa Rica, Spain, or Malaysia. And they're also rich in community, which brings us to another point. Luxury isn't just about money, it's about time, freedom, and peace of mind. Many budget retirees report feeling richer after simplifying their life. Less clutter, fewer obligations, and more time for the things that matter. So the real difference? It's not always dollars, it's how those dollars translate into your day-to-day experience. Lifestyle and activities, how each retiree spends their day. Now, let's talk daily life. What are these two retirees actually doing with their time? Luxury retirees may fill their schedules with golf, yacht clubs, wine tastings, and first-class travel. Budget retirees might hike local trails, volunteer, garden, or take part in free community events. But guess what? Both groups can experience deep fulfillment. It depends on your personality. Some retirees love the social scene and premium comforts. Others find joy in slow living, reading, DIY projects, or spending time with grandkids. However, there's one thing both lifestyles should absolutely plan for, and that's unexpected travel expenses. Travel smart. Why insurance is a must. Quick story. A friend of mine retired to Portugal on a modest budget. He was loving life. Sunny beaches, delicious food, low living costs. Then, one day, a biking accident turned into a 5-day hospital stay and a $12,000 medical bill. Here's the deal. Travel insurance isn't optional, it's essential. Whether you're budget conscious or splurging on a luxury cruise, having reliable travel insurance can save your retirement fund and your peace of mind. I personally recommend checking out the link in the description for our trusted travel insurance partner. They offer affordable, customizable plans for retirees, long-term travelers, and expats alike. It's easy to sign up and coverage begins almost immediately. Okay, back to the fun stuff. Housing, downsize or upgrade. Housing is usually the biggest expense in retirement, and this is where budget versus luxury retirees often take different paths. Budget retirees might sell the family home and move into a smaller condo, a retirement village, or even a mobile home community. This frees up cash, reduces maintenance, and simplifies life. Luxury retirees often keep or upgrade their homes, choosing waterfront properties, private communities, or even multiple homes for seasonal living. However, there's a growing trend of luxury on a budget, buying property in countries where real estate is still affordable. Think beachfront villas in Bali for under $200K or mountain homes in Ecuador for a fraction of US prices. So whether you're looking to simplify or upgrade, where you buy is just as important as what you buy. Retirement income strategies. It's all about cash flow. Now, let's talk money. Because whether you're retiring frugally or in style, cash flow is king. Budget retirees often rely on a mix of Social Security, pensions, or annuities, supplemented with side gigs or small withdrawals from savings. Their focus is stability and sustainability. Luxury retirees usually have multiple income streams: real estate rentals, dividends, business income, and larger investment portfolios. This allows for more flexibility and bigger spending power. But here's a pro tip. Regardless of your level, investing in passive income before retirement is a game changer. That could be a rental property, an online business, or dividend stocks, just something that works for you while you're sleeping. The bottom line: budget versus luxury isn't just how you spend, it's how you fund your lifestyle. Legacy and longevity. Think long-term. Finally, whether you're pinching pennies or popping champagne, you need to plan for the next 20-30 years, because retirement is getting longer, and many people outlive their money simply because they didn't plan for the long game. Luxury retirees often work with financial planners, estate lawyers, and tax professionals to build a comprehensive legacy plan. Budget retirees should too. Even basic wills, trusts, and healthcare proxies can save your family a massive headache. No matter your lifestyle, here's what retirees regret the most: not starting sooner with planning, saving, and dreaming. So if you're watching this and you're still a few years away from retirement, you're ahead of the game. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with one strong piece of advice. Don't let one unexpected event derail the retirement you've worked so hard for. It's not dramatic, it's reality. A missed flight, a medical emergency, a sudden evacuation, they can cost thousands. That's why travel insurance is the smartest $100 you'll ever spend. I highly recommend clicking the link below to get a free travel insurance quote. Whether you're moving abroad, planning long vacations, or just want peace of mind, it's the safest and easiest way to protect your future. Your retirement deserves it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss more tips on smart, satisfying retirement living. Tell me in the comments, which lifestyle are you leaning toward? Budget or luxury? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, leave smart, retire well,